just to tell. No. You know what? It's 30 to 40 minutes since I've been trying to shoot this video, and my camera presence sucks. It's scary to talk in front of camera. I have never ever talked in front of camera. All I've been trying to say since last 30 minutes is like, hi cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And it totally sucks. So I decided to say just whatever comes to my mind. My English, it's not good. So obviously I should make videos in Hindi. But here we go, talking in English. Of course, why not? It's not like I don't know Hindi, I cannot speak. Totally, I can speak in Hindi. My first language is Hindi. It's been a while since I posted something, and from last 2 months I was thinking to start posting on YouTube again, but I've been just thinking and thinking but not really posting anything. So today finally I decided to shoot this video, and I will be posting this in obviously in few days after editing. It's just gonna be it's non-scripted video. I'm just talking to you all. Just let's get to know each other. So let's start with name. My name is Ritisha. You all can call me Riti or anything you like. Not actually anything you like, just call me Riti or Ritisha. I am 23 years old. I'll be turning 24 this year. Like that's scary. And I like makeup. Can I do it? Totally not. I'm not good at it. Feet from makeup, I remember I did this with my face today. Like see. It's I put a white eyeliner over here. I use paint. It's not face paint, it's literally watercolor. Watercolor like a 20 rupees, 25 rupees watercolor we get on like normal store. I tried to make this like first time I tried to do something on my face because I never did it. I am not good at painting or sketching or anything like that, so it's my first time. I've been looking at the videos and stuff, so I tried to do this. Just in case if you wonder, it will look like this without specs. Just to let you all know, I cannot see anything without specs. I don't have contact lenses, so I'll be using my specs. I cannot see. It looks like this. I use some glitter, just small particle that we get in paint, watercolor. What I did, first I did this face painting first, and low key after that I applied eyeliner, then I applied concealer. I have really bad dark circles, so I had to put concealer on my eyes. I don't know if it's looking good or not, but I really like this painting. It's looking nice and cute. I have applied a lip balm. Lip balm is not a gloss, but it does look like a gloss. See, it always happens with me whenever I talk. It's not just with you guys. Even if I talk with my friends, I'll always be stuttering with some words. Sometimes it's not just with English, it's also with Hindi. I'll be stuttering like, and sometimes I don't remember words, so I go like, you got that word right, what I'm trying to say. I always do that. I got a glitch over my camera, so I'll be continuing here about my lip combo. I used a brown lipstick. It's from Mela Beauty. I just applied it, and over it I used lip balm. It's called Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm. Such a good lip balm. Gives really nice tint, and it looks like a gloss. I don't know what I'm talking about. I was supposed to do an unboxing video. Not unboxing, it's unboxing. It's literally unboxing. And then let's just do unboxing. So I'll be doing unboxing of the products I've ordered during Nykaa Pink Love sale. Also I ordered some products from Plum, so I'll be showing you that. First thing I ordered is like inside Pro Concealer Palette. I don't have a concealer palette. I needed a color corrector really bad because I have really bad dark circles and I have some spots. So it does look like this. It's really pretty. I really like the way it looks. I am not gonna try it right now because I will be making a separate video about it later. So you can see it's like it have all this color. We can use it to color correct our dark circles, pigmentation, redness, many things. And I have heard really good things about inside color corrector palette. It's really good. So I ordered this for myself. Let's go to our next product. So it's in stack. Most of the product I ordered is Mars. Like 3 products are Mars. It's Mars Stripping Primer. It's been trending everywhere. You know that, right? So I ordered this primer. Other than that, I ordered a makeup fixer. It is fixer, right? Yeah, it's makeup fixer from Mars. It gives dewy finish. So I ordered this. So next thing I ordered is this eyebrow pencil from. It's also from Mars. It costed me around I think 59 rupees something, 59 or 69 something. Not much. Other than that, we have a lip balm. So it's from Wishcare. It have SPF 50. So we're done with all the products we ordered from Nykaa. Let's go for Plum. So we received products in this small pouch. I'll be showing you that. First thing we have Plum Niacinamide Serum. It's really viral, right? So I wanted to try this. I've been using Dot & Key Niacinamide Serum. It's good. It is good. So I decided to try this one this time. So I ordered it. It's body mist, also pistachio. It's soft. And little floral, just little bit. Really like it. Next product is Vanilla Caramello, right? Yeah. Body lotion. It's sample only. I have its full size. It's like literally on my back, on that trolley. Such a good body lotion, Other than that, we have what we have is jewelry box, small jewelry box. It's from Plum. See, it's like this. That's it. We're done with all the products. Also flower. I put it here like this. It's pretty. It's not pretty from here, but it's pretty from here. Flower, sunflower. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe and comment. So see you in next video. Bye bye.